Can anti-Müllerian hormone be increased? Unfortunately, there is no way to improve a low anti-Müllerian hormone levels at this time. Anti-Müllerian hormone is a good marker of ovarian reserve in women. The levels of this hormone are used to estimate the number of eggs remaining in a woman's ovaries at a given time. As time advances and the age of a woman increases, her ovarian reserve declines, and consequently, the levels of anti-Müllerian hormone drop. However, leading a healthy lifestyle, quitting smoking, eating a healthy diet, taking certain vitamins, reducing stress, maintaining a healthy weight are some tips that will always be beneficial for fertility.